technician, and I would love to show you some of the equipments that you have in our showroom. We are located in Babadogo, and with me here we have some commercial equipments. This is a mixer. This is a 3-phase mixer. This is our oven, a single deck pizza stones you can use for making pizzas. These are double deck pizza, metallic to oven stones. It has 2 deck. These and these. This is a knife storage, light storage and sterilizing knives. These are our under counter chiller. These are on top. We have a 6-burner cooker which has knob. These are metallic knob, very nice for kitchen. These are our pilot knobs. We got these pilots. Let me show you the pilots, which keeps you light for standby in case you don't want to use the flames every time. These are our 2-burner, commercial one. We're doing here, we got our coffee grinder one, which has a coffee tamper here. It has a storage. You can grind your coffee and store here for some few minutes. Then it has settings, which you can do the settings for fine, coarse coffee. With me here, these are just 2. These are the thermostats, 2 thermostats, the timer, an oven. These are our salamander. So here, these are our mixer also. These are our griller, the grill for lighting. These are more commercial, metallic one. These are 2-burner cooker. Also has the pilot knobs for standby flame.